Now we will take exercise 7.2, which is related to factorial. Question first, evaluate 8 factorial. How can you expand 8 factorial? You can write it as 8, 7, 1 less up to 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So multiply these numbers together to get the answer. 4 factorial minus 3 factorial. So how can you take it? 4 factorial, 4, 3, 2 into 1 minus 3 factorial. 3 factorial, 3 into 2 into 1. So it will be 24 minus 6, that is 18. Okay. Now, question third. 8 factorial upon 6 factorial into 2 factorial. Let's see this part. 8 factorial, you can write 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. You can keep the further term as in the form of factorial. Why? Because in the denominator 6 factorial is already there. So it will be cancelled out. Okay, so it is the easiest way. Now we can proceed for the 8 into 7 upon 2 factorial means 2 into 1. Cancel कीजिए. So 28 is the answer. Clear? Okay. Question 4. If this equals to this, find x. X निकालना है. So let's go for the question. 1 upon 6 factorial, keep it as it is. देखिए why we will keep it? Because 7 factorial, if we will expand it further. So how can you write it? 1 upon 7 multiply 6 factorial लिख सकते हैं? ऐसे लिख सकते हैं? Okay. And from here, 8 factorial, you can write 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. Why we are writing it like this? So that we can take 1 by 6 factorial common. So take 1 by 6 factorial common. So the bracket term will be this, and from here x upon 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. ये cancel हो जाएगा. So the left part is this one, 8 by 7 equal x upon 8 multiply 7. Okay. So cancel it. X will be 8 multiply 8. So x is 64. So this is the easiest way. If you will expand this 6 factorial further and you will keep these one as it is, तब आपका कुछ common नहीं निकल पाएगा. Isn't it? 6 factorial means 6 into 5 into 4, 3, 2, 1. And if you will keep these two as it is, you can't take anything common. So 1 by 6, the smallest number, keep it as it is and expand the other numbers. Then you will get the answer. Question 5th. In question 5th, evaluate n factorial upon n minus r factorial when n equals 6 and r equal 2. Now we will substitute these values in the formula. N factorial means 6 factorial upon n minus r means 6 minus 2 factorial. Like this we will write it. So it will be 6 factorial upon 4 factorial. So how will you expand it so that the terms will be cancelled out? This you can 6 into 5 into 4 factorial you can write it, and the denominator 4 factorial as it is. Cancel कीजिए. So 30 will be the answer. Is it clear? Okay. Same for the second part. 6n factorial means 9 factorial upon 9 minus 5 factorial. This, now expand it, 9 factorial upon 4 factorial. Now 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 and 4 factorial. Why we are going up to 4 factorial? Because in the denominator 4 factorial is there. 4 factorial cancel कीजिए. So 9 into 8, 7 into 6 into 5. So multiply them together to get the answer. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.